The field of biopharmaceutical manufacturing is really exploding in growth in the Indianapolis and Indiana area and has been over the past few years, and we expect it to continue to develop in the coming years. Biopharmaceutical manufacturing is the process of using biotechnology to manufacture medical therapies and diagnostics. Biopharmaceuticals are made using living materials instead of chemicals. Some examples include vaccines and gene therapies. Eli Lilly and Company Manufacturing has partnered with Tech to create a talent pipeline to support the manufacturing roles that are needed in making medicine. The goal is to provide 1,000 scholarships for students who are pursuing degrees or certificates in areas related to pharmaceutical manufacturing. Partnerships like this offer students the opportunity for apprenticeships. They get to interact with leadership, and then they have other opportunities that aren't available to other students that will really help prepare them to interview not only with Lilly, but with other pharma manufacturing companies. As part of this great partnership, not only scholarships are being provided, but Lilly has also supported 2 different labs. One is on the Indy campus in the Illinois Fall Creek Center for biotech, and the other is the Manufacturing Innovation Training Center at 16 Tech to support the smart manufacturing digital integration roles. For anyone interested in a career in the biotech field, take advantage of programs like Lilly Scholars at Ivy Tech to provide financial assistance and hands-on learning that's going to prepare you for a high-wage, high-demand career. We encourage anyone who is interested in applying for Lilly Scholars to apply at any time. New scholarships are awarded for every 8-week session. Hands-on learning allows students to get a better understanding of how the knowledge they gain will enable them to solve real-world problems. Employers then see the benefit of a better prepared workforce.